spoke to the lady at the shop and she said it could be a week still waiting for truck drivers to get through after the floods because the roads are blocked and whatnot. So yeah guys, we may be without food for a bloody week.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
So guys, Dad and Ireland coming through the doors, and Mr. Ireland got his needles today, didn't you?
Yes.
Got your needles. You gonna show everyone?
I'm still so active.
Mr. Ireland.
Like nothing happened.
Like nothing happened now. After his big cry, he screamed down the whole building. Ireland. Ireland.
Look at that.
Look at that.
I'll show them
The other one? Show the other one. Show. Oh, strong boy.
Yeah. You want the camera?
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family.
Welcome peeps.
So guys, we decided to do a little bit of shopping in here, and we're going to show you guys what it's like after a flood. You know, lots of things you know, are probably missing off the shelves. Yeah,
we heard that it's really bad, like most of the stuff are gone here, so let's see what it's like.
Yeah, see how we go. And yeah, Arlen just got his needles done.
Yeah, man.
So he's just chilling like a villain in the back there, so got to get him some Panadol as well, just in case he does get a fever or something.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
So keep an eye on him. Alright, let's go.
Guys, look at the shelves, all empty. Holy crap. Island? Look at that. Shit. My justice. Not much left in the store, guys. It's like a crisis or a disaster, a real disaster. It's gonna go over here. Wow, it's not much to get here, babe.
No, I don't even know what to get here now.
Good thing we stuck up on what we did from the other day. Oh, look at the meat section. Nothing, babe. The meat section, all of that here is empty. Wow. All along we go, it's the same thing. Wow. All empty. No eggs, nothing. Everything gone. Oh wow. Yeah.
Just trying to get whatever I can.
Look at what we have, guys. Yeah, there's not much to choose from anyway. Orange juice.
Alright, let's go. So we've just come back from the shopping centre, all the shops, and absolutely nothing that I need in there is there. So there's no milk, there's no bread. We've managed to get eggs for $7 a dozen at the meat shop. Anyway, it's crazy. It's really crazy what's going on here. babe, you know, is shocked. I'm shocked. Island is just being Island. So yeah. Anyway, real quick, I spoke to the lady at the shop and she said it could be a week still waiting for truck drivers to get through after the floods, because the roads are blocked and whatnot. So yeah guys, we may be without food for a bloody week.
I tell you, good thing we stuck up on from the other day when the rain was coming.
Yeah.
And it's only 2 main shops here, Coles and Woolsworth.
Yep.
Yeah, and they're empty, so you know what that means. And if there's no supply, it's crazy.
Yep.
Yeah.
I managed to get some meat yesterday from the butcher.
Yeah. Which
was very expensive, but it's not about the money. It's about, you know, being secure and having food on the table.
True.
So yeah, so another week guys, till we can get any supplies.
Till roads them cut off right now guys. Yeah. So, that's what's up.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Lismore is down and we're out here stuck too, so yeah.
Because all our food produce and that comes from Sydney.
Yeah. And
Sydney, you know, obviously is they're due for their weather shock as well apparently. So we're just waiting to see what happens. And yeah, I would really love to take you all down to Lismore to see, you know, the aftermath of the whole floods. But the water's still trying to release itself there as well. So it's really hard to get through.
We can't even cross.
We can't cross. Well guys, stay tuned. You know, thank you for everyone for your lovely comments and, you know, your prayers.
Yeah, man, we appreciate it.
We've been doing really well, and you know, we're doing well.
Yeah.
We're doing well.
Yeah.
So we're okay. That's the main thing.
Yeah, man.
We still have life.
Definitely.
And yeah.
Yeah. But I'm not gonna lie, Highland Needles was huge. I'm
just gonna keep an eye on him. He's falling asleep, guys.
He's gonna have to get his Panadol.
Yeah, so. I think we're gonna have to give him some Panadol because the needles he just got.
Yeah.
3 big.
I never knew they were gonna be that big, honestly. I had to hold him, guys, like literally, and yeah.
Dad's first experience Island getting his needles.
Yeah.
Now, for all those that are asking why is Island getting needles, well, it is a requirement of every Australian child to get their needles here in Australia. So, you know, meningococcal and all those measles and things are very serious diseases that if a child's not immunized to them, he may or she may get them and die or lose limbs or lose arms, lose legs.
Yeah. So
this is the reason why. For all the anti-vaxxers out there, we have nothing against you, but we prefer to keep our children vaccinated from such diseases.
Yeah.
Alright, so guys, thank you for watching again. Thank you for staying tuned with us, and we really appreciate all of you.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Big up and respect.
Big up.
Guys, these are all the stuff right now people putting out. Can't see all the damages.
There's a solar panel thing there.
Yeah.
Why would you throw that out? That's rain, hail or shine. Wow, look at the damage, guys.
Look at that.
So crazy.
So much things people have to be throwing away. As you said, lots of these houses are covered by insurance, right?
Well, you'd think that people would have home contents insurance. Yeah. You'd think that people would have that. A lot of people don't have that because they don't own the house.
Yeah. But
most people do pay home contents insurance daily, and so.
Yeah.
Funny they made fridges and stuff waterproof.
Look at the damage down here, guys. Wow. Couch, fridge, mattress, everything you can think of.
I reckon like a homeless person could make something out of all this stuff, even though like it's illegal. But it's people that are really in dire straight need, that living on the streets.
Yeah.
They could make something out of the things that people throw out, you know?
True. Lots of these stuff that I see though, if it was in Jamaica, lots of these stuff would be refurbishing.
Really?
Yeah. And people would make use of some of these stuff.
Phone call completed.
As the road's still closed to Lismore, so
Still can't enter.
You still can't enter. But I mean, people can.
In the back road, probably.
Maybe the back roads.
We have to have probably a 4-wheel.
I'm not sure. We'll go through and have a look.
Yeah.
I just came to see.
The water might pull, but you know, still.
You reckon? Yeah, it might have pulled out.
Because it's been a couple of days now. We don't know the damage on the road still, what it's like. Office chair and all that.
That office chair looks good for us.
That's why I'm saying some of these stuff could be refurbished.
Right.
You just change off the cover really and it's good again. All of the stuff's on both sides. Mattress.
It's crazy, guys, honestly. Wow, there's some water still under the road.
Yeah.
It's not too bad. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, no, I'm not going to go through that.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to go through that. Wow, big ass cupboards.
Look at that.
Someone can make a house out of that.
Tell you. Whole heap of damage create, man.
Throw out. Can we throw it out? Even if it hasn't been damaged by the weather? Because it seems like people are throwing things out.
And then they come pick them up.
Yeah, and they just come pick them up like a big huge cleanup.
Wow. Damages on both sides.
Just look at this. Fridges and you name it. All of this stuff. It's
I don't even know where to show you guys.
So sad. Beautiful sunny day today.
Look at that car on the water there.
Was that a car now?
Yeah, 2 cars actually.
Oh my god. Oh wow, look, even an exercise machine. Who wants that?
Sheesh.
Maybe it's a sign, grab it for me.
Oh, them places are affecting really bad.
It's smart.
Where's he talking?
On camera, bruh. Road raging. This is a storage place and people come here trusting their things will be safe, but because the floods have come around, that a lot of them lost a lot of things. So yeah, you know, I'd be devastated too, yo.
To be honest, there's a lot of good stuff in the mix. What we have seen.
Pool table. stove, the whole kitchen bench there, barbecue. Are the people either taking stuff or people are packing stuff and throwing things away?
Stove, everything. That's straight ahead. Just seeing on a good again. Sorry, yo.
There's that house that got burnt down not long ago. One of our other vlogs. It's not there anymore. It's gone. So what I'm not understanding is what are the yellow ticks on everything? There's yellow ticks on everything.
Yeah, it's like they mark them for some reason.
It's like, yeah, see, yellow ticks on them.
Yeah.
I think the yellow ticks may mean like, see the yellow ticks are recycling.
Oh, okay.
Could be the yellow recycling.
Oh.
This guy.
Body of your throw things. Oh, look at the river, babe. Look at all the trees down there.
Oh, shit. Shooty.
Not sure.
People actually take stuff for free, like.
All the trees in the rivers are broken down, are washed away.
There was a landslide here.
Oh, landslide.
Yeah, it came really high, didn't it?
Yeah.
The water's still high. I don't know if we can fly the drone around here.
Oh, guys. Just want to show you guys this tree right here. As you guys can see the effect of the basically the water reach. Can tell it to even go higher than the level of the tree. So imagine these houses up here.
Yeah, because you can see all the shrubs.
Yeah, all the trash basically on the tree still. Yeah. And the fences are all, yeah, everything just each up in the fences like that. Yeah.
And people are trying to get across, but there's still water down there.
Yeah, so what we're trying to do, guys, is to enter into Lismore, but there's still water, so it hasn't really changed. Well, it's going down, but if you have a four-wheel drive, it will be easy. There's a guy up there who just grabbed his kayak like he's going for a little sail.
Driving through there.
That's scary.
Okay, so they went through it.
Yeah. Water is still a little bit high, guys. As you can see.
Oh my god, this guy's going through it. This guy's going through it. No way. No way, you got that?
Yeah. He's going. It's a bit high, look at it. Yeah, it's a bit high still. But he's going.
Oh. Oh. It smells raw, guys.
Yeah, it smells really raw. They all made it.
They made it.
Puss and dog now have the same look.
That's what I'm saying. The car, that blue car that just went through, he's lower than us, and he made it through. It's interesting to know.
Yeah.
Oh, the truck's coming, so that means the truck will wash it all away for us.
We're here, been sitting for like 20 minutes now, guys, just watching cars going through. It's crazy. Some people are afraid to attempt the reverse, make a U-turn.
This is crazy, guys. Like, literally, it's crazy. What they're doing is out of this world. Here he goes. He goes one. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, it went through. Alright, well, we're not going to attempt it, guys, so we're going to go back.
Yeah.
Thanks for staying with us, guys.